Investment apps have made it so much easier for us to have direct access to all these amazing international platforms. And do you know that with the right app you can invest in both Nigerian and in the international stock market? And in this video we are going to talk about my top 5 investment platforms that you can easily use if you want to either invest or save in foreign currency. Hello everyone, my name is Chiamaka, and on my channel we talk about everything you need to know about money, from the mindset you should have, how to invest money, how you can manage your money so that you can put your money to work and earn a whole lot more in return. So if that is what you are interested in, I want to specially welcome you to my channel and implore on you to subscribe to my channel to enjoy educating videos just like this. Whether you are a beginner in investing or you are what we call in Nigeria an adult in investing in the stock market, investing with the right platform can easily help you to attain the financial freedom that you aspire to have. And in this video we are going to talk about my top 5 investment platforms that you can easily use if you want to either invest or save in foreign currency. All right, but I want you to know that these 5 platforms are 100% regulated by SEC. Number 5 on my list is called Rise First. You have opportunity to invest in stocks. You can also invest in real estate. You also have the opportunity to put your money in fixed deposits. And one thing I love about their app is that it is completely beginner friendly. If you don't have any experience at all, it is completely easy to use. Number 4 on the list is Trove. Trove is an app that can be used to invest in the US and the Chinese stock market. So if you are looking to invest in these platforms, Trove will easily do them for you. I also want you to know that all these platforms are regulated by the Securities and Exchange Commission, the governing head of investment. So if you come across any app or any investment that is not regulated by SEC, just know that you need to carry your shoes and start running for your life, because any platform that is not regulated, right, they can easily just close up tomorrow. I want you to know that these 5 platforms are 100% regulated by SEC. Number 3 on the list is this one. Everybody loves this one, and almost everybody uses it. It's called PiggyVest. I started using PiggyVest in 2019, and so far I have not had any issue whatsoever on the app. Now they also have investment opportunities where you'll be invited to invest in real estate. All right, so if you are interested in that, go ahead and invest with PiggyVest. They also have a feature where you can save in dollars. Everyone loves PiggyVest, so I don't really have much to say about it. Number 2 is called AfriVest 2.0. This is owned by AfriVest. They have a lot of features on the app where you have opportunity to invest in Nigerian stocks, in US stocks, in mutual funds, in treasury bills, in commercial papers, everything. If you want an all-encompassing platform, you should definitely look at Afrinvest 2.0. So my all-time favorite investment app is called Bamboo. From their user-friendly app to how they have simplified how you can invest as low as 5,000 naira. Also, you have opportunity to invest either in the Nigerian stocks, US stocks, treasury bills, and if you don't even want to invest, if you just want to save in dollars, they have the fixed deposit feature where you can earn 8 to 10% return on investment. The most important is that they still educate you on what is happening in the stock market. They even show you the top stocks for the week, for the month. They also show you the top stocks your Nigerian celebrities are also invested in, and they also show you the top stocks Warren Buffett is invested in. So there is so much to say about the Bamboo app, and I urge everyone to click the link on the description of this video to have access to all of these platforms. All right, so if this video was really helpful to you the way it was to me, I want you to subscribe to the channel and like this video. Until the next video, have a wonderful one. Bye.